Hi everyone, I'm Jane, one of the Halo ambassadors, and today I'm going to be showing you 5 of my favourite items, what you can get from Pure Nails. So number 1 on my list is the Halo Matte. This one's still in its plastics, I've got it new for the salon. These are absolutely fantastic for on your desk. You can take them off, pop them in hot water, hot soapy water to clean them. They can be disinfected regularly. Any spills you get on them, you can just wipe it straight off. It's totally cool with acetone, anything like that. Monomer, I've spilled all sorts on that. So Halo Matte is my number 1 item. Amazing. Number 2 on my items is the Halo Elite Files. Halo Elite Files, these are obviously they're the Half Moon one. These are the ones I use most in salon. So the 100, 180, 180 and 150, 150. These are fantastic. They last for absolutely ages, and obviously you can disinfect them as well. I've bought a load more for my client packs for when we go back, so they're all getting their own files, but these ones are superb, honestly, really good. Third on my list is my little Plush Brush. I'll show you a little bit of a close up there. Looks a bit scary, but it's not, it's really soft. These are fantastic for when you've been doing your filing. So obviously you're gonna go along, get all that dust out the nails, ready for you putting your polish on. These are amazing. So that's your Halo Plush Brush. Get your teeth in for that one. Number 4 for me is the Brush On Glue. Show you that. This is genuinely the best glue I've found for tips. This is what I use for putting tips on. It's amazing. It's really quick, always easy to open, even when you've been using it. I've used this loads. Little brush on there. Fantastic glue. So that's your Pure Nails Brush On Glue. That's my number 4. My last product, it's kind of plural. It's the Halo Acrylic Core System. So I've just got a little acrylic liquid there. Obviously you can get them in bigger bottles. This acrylic system, I switched to this way before I was a brand ambassador. So I don't plug it just because I work for them. It is fantastic. It's so easy to use. I actually at one point wanted to give up doing acrylics until I switched to this. So there's the trial kit and the starter kit on the website if you don't, if you want to try it before you switch. So you've got your acrylic liquid, and obviously the 4 I use most regular is your clear and my white. So obviously that's the 165 gram pot. Then these are the 45. In the kits you get a little dinky one, but more than enough to practice a good few sets with. And then the other ones I use the most of, Cover Pink and Cover Peach. These are beautiful, so easy to work with. It's a medium system, so you've got plenty of time to play with it. It doesn't set too quick, but you can also get the Pro Liquid, which is fast in set and monomer, but that's also on the website. So that's my 5. Hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Bye.